First of all, I think it's an encouragement that to see such a big participation out here. I've been seeing for last 3 years, and I'd also thank the Honorable Minister who takes out his time and comes very meticulously out here, and I really appreciate, sir, about that. One. Secondly, the participation what I see here is increasing year by year, and I think Mr. Dhumal and his company are extremely doing a good job, and I like to really give him a good hand on that, Mr. Dhumal. This is not only encouraging the technology across the globe, but you can see India is becoming one of the multi powers, you can say. And not only in other areas, if you see there's a recession in Europe, and globally also there's a recession coming up. But if you see in India, particularly in the poultry sector, there's a growth of 25 to 30%. This message comes right from the chairperson, Madam Desai, that the industry should humbly grow at 10 to 12%. So I would request that you should have a growth, but I would suggest that you should go very meticulously. Otherwise, you're going to have the same old problem, and the farmers won't get a proper rate, whether it's broilers or layers. So you have to think, okay, the days are good. We have to continue these good days. I was just thinking about this exhibition hall, such a wonderfully made in Andhra Pradesh. And I was cherishing the dreams of Mr. B.V. Rao, who used to take me to Atlanta, America, Georgia. That's what the respected minister we were talking. Respected minister was asking me, still we do go to Atlanta. I was thinking that no, it's people like Mr. Dhumal have brought I think to your doorsteps the technology, the exhibition halls, and right from Godavari farmers, or you say any part of villages, small farmers who have never dreamt also to go to that places. Now I think it's in your doorsteps, the technology, and you can avail them. So when I was young, it was very difficult to even have a look at it. We had to go all the way to America. So I think this kind of opportunity, if you are getting, I think you people should avail it. And I like to congratulate on this opening. And I would say that whoever the participant, the farmers, should take advantage of the latest technology. I think in par with anybody, you can say. I think the participants, exhibitors across the globe are sitting out here. I think you should take advantage, and I think you should have the best of the best results. I'm proud to say BV 300, COB 100, COB 400, you name the quality, I think we are maintaining in the forefront, and we promise to maintain for the farmers. National Egg Coordination Committee also is containing of so many highly delegated people like Mr. Desai, Soma Raju Garu, the n number of people sitting in front who are declaring these prizes meticulously. And I think this will go on with the, of course, Madam Desai is there, and I'm sure she has told me to deliver this small participation.